Hello everybody, this is Javier coming in with a quick tutorial here on how to generate a mock-up of your actual emergency planning binder so that you can use it to promote your binder on social media or any other medium. And so here I have my entire 100-page binder, and it's important for you to know that you're going to need to have an actual JPEG or picture file of just the cover and not the whole PDF file. And so there are two ways to do it. I'm going to put up instructions here on how to fire up your snippet tool, which is something that you are able to utilize whether you have a Mac or a PC, and they're built into the system for you to capture an image. I personally use what's called Snagit, which is from the same company that makes Camtasia. And so I'm simply going to come in here, and this is all you're going to do is I'm going to cover just the actual cover, as you can see here. And so you're going to do that. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and it'll open up as you see here. I'm going to save it. I'm going to save it as, and I'm just going to go ahead and name it. And in this example, emergency binder, I'm calling it a test cover. And that's it. So I'm going to save it and I'm done. Then I'm going to move on to the second step. You're going to go to this website that you see on the screen right now. I'm also going to leave the link to the website where you will create your mock-up in the description of the video below. So let's go ahead and start. It's going to be 3 easy steps. Step 1, you're going to select which cover do you want or which design do you want. You can design multiple, but we have to only do one at a time. Next one is to go ahead and select your image of the cover that we just created. And then the third one is to simply download it for free. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here and I'm going to use any design. Again, you can even use multiple ones. So I'm going to start with this one, iPad looking thing, simply because of the fact that it's a digital version of the binder. So I selected that. I'm going to click on next. I'm going to go down here and browse, if you would, for the cover that I just saved. And so I believe we call it cover or binder cover test or something like that. Test cover, there it is. And so it's in JPEG format or PNG. It's got to be a actual graphic. It cannot be a PDF or a document. It's got to be an image. And so I'm doing that right now. I'm going to click on add, and as you can see here, it hasn't been uploaded yet. I browsed into it, but now I have to click on the upload button, and you'll see that it appears right here as well. So once I go ahead and upload it, which I did already, I'm going to go to the next step, which is next. And with this one, as you'll be able to see, it's going to ask me, do you want PNG or JPEG? It doesn't really matter. I would go with JPEG, and it's going to download it. And it's downloading as we speak. And there it is. Digital format on a tablet, which is pretty cool. And that's all there is to it. Also, if you have not yet ordered your actual binder, go to the domain or website that's on the screen right now, and you will be able to place your order there for only 29 bucks. It will be customized with your name, your cell phone, or whatever phone number you want, and a logo if you have it. If you don't use a logo, that's fine. I don't use a logo because I want to promote myself, not a company, and that's all there is to it. All right, thanks so much.